We're going to check out some more hair transformations. So it looks like we are going to see a bit of a money piece transformation. If you guys don't know what money piece highlights is, that's basically where the front portion of the hair is highlighted in order to frame the face. So it looks like they're also adding color to the rest of the hair as well. So we saw the inspiration behind this haircut and the color combination. So it looks like they're going to get a nice colored bob. Oh, this came out amazing. Purple money piece in the front, dip dyed ends, and then gray silver tone overall. Such a cute, fun haircut and color combination. So next up we have Daisy, and she's going to be doing a cute hairstyle. She's one of my favorite influencers to follow for hair ideas. So it looks like for this one, she's doing a high ponytail combo with side swept bang. So she kind of flipped the ponytail under just a tad. Very trendy hairstyle. So next up, looks like someone is making their own hair conditioner. And you can use that same recipe no matter what your hair type is. So there she is, just kind of defining her curls. Her texture is so beautiful. Wow. Gorgeous. She decided to wear an updo with that one. And then we have a cute little up, down, half up, half down style. She has a really pretty texture too. So this is just like a fun little cute everyday hairstyle. Beautiful texture. Her hair is so thick. So then we see Daisy once again. She added in some curls. And now it looks like she's doing a half up, half down style. Whoa, that is a very high ponytail that you created there at the top. That's a cool little hack that she did. So she did 2 ponytail holders instead of 1 in order to get height and volume. Very cool. Alright, so next up we have another one of my favorite influencers. She recently cut her hair into a pixie and it is gorgeous. But here she is just kind of flat ironing and styling her bob. I love this hair color, by the way. So she has blue, kind of greenish money piece highlights in the front, and then dip dyed ends throughout. This is such a pretty look, especially with the eyeshadow. Gorgeous. So pretty. And she does her own hair, like coloring it and everything. So here we have another video of a wig, and she is dyeing the wig purple. Oh wow, that looks so pretty with her makeup and against the pop of neon yellow. So gorgeous. So it looks like we have another curly girl hairstyle. So she's doing a ponytail with this one, and she does some very creative hairstyles with her baby hairs. So this one, she added a bunch of gold bobby pins. Such a pretty look. So gorgeous. Now we're heading into the next hairstyle. Looks like she's doing some braided French braids with this one. Those braids are so tiny. Wow. So it looks like she's going bigger as she gets to the base and nape area of the hair. That's a pretty hard technique to do if you don't know how to braid. Very cute, great way to protect your hair in the winter time as well, or the summer. Oh, looks like she's doing a very cool hag hairstyle, an updo. And then this hair transformation is going to feature some more braids. So she is doing one large braid by braiding in smaller braids together. Very creative. Great way to make the hair appear thicker than it actually is. This would be a great hairstyle for like prom or wedding or any formal event. Very beautiful. I think the accessories really set it off too. And then here we have a half up, half down braided style. And this looks like a very cute style for if you have shoulder length hair. Ooh, her hair looks so pretty. Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. If you did, be sure to give this one a like, and I will see you in the next one.